Hello, today we are going to see how to apply the object-oriented concept and build Java applications using a Java interface concept such as abstract class, finite variables, and default, and static. We'll see this through the hacker rank. So in a hacker rank, the first one we will see the Java abstract class. In a Java abstract class, it cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot create a new instance of an abstract class. It will then it will works as a base for a subclass. So here, for example, we have given abstract class book and the string title abstract white set title, and inside the bracket we have given the string s and string get title, and it will return the title. And in a sample input we have given a tale of two cities, and in a sample output we have given the title is a tale of two cities. So now we will see the code. So in a code, we have imported the java.util abstract class book. We have given string title abstract white set title. We have given in this we have given a string s and string get the title. So we have it will return the title. So here we have created the class my book. So inside the class my book, here we have given a string title white set title string s we have given, and here we have given a super dot title equals to s. And now here we have given a main function. So in this public class main, so inside the main we have given the public static void main string arguments. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and the string title equals to sc dot next line. So my book new equal to novel new my book, and here we have given my a new underscore novel dot set title. Inside the bracket we have given a title, and here we are going to print system dot out dot println. The title is new underscore novel dot get title and sc dot close. Now we will run the code. So here it has input has came a tale of two cities. The tale is a tale of two cities, and expected output is tale of two cities. So it has given the tale of sorry, the expected output, the title is the tale of two cities. So the program is executed successfully. Now we will see the second one. Now we will see the second one. In this we have to give a book class and solution class. It consists of three parameters, that is string title, string author, and int price. And next step we have to implement the book class that has to consider abstract display method. So it has three lines should be implemented, that is title, author, and price. So first one we will see the code. So here we have imported the java.util abstract class book, string title we have given, and string author. So inside here we have given a book. Inside the book we should here we have given inside the book string title and string author. So here we have created the object this dot title equals to title and this dot author equals to author, and in an abstract wide display it will display. And here we have given here we have created a class my book. So inside the class we have given int price my book. So inside my book we have to get the title, string author, and int price. And here we have given inside the super we have given title comma author, and here we have given the object this dot price equals to price. And in a wide display we have given system dot out dot println. It will print the title, and next it will print the author, and next it will print the price. So here we have given a public class solution. So in inside this we have given a public static void main string argument scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and string title equals to scanner dot next line, and string author equals to scanner dot next line, and int price equals to scanner dot next line. And here we have given scanner dot close, and book equals to new book new my book, and inside this we have given title, author, and price. And here we have given the book dot display. Now we will run the code. So it has input we have given alchemist, and here we have given we have given the book author and the price we have given 248, and here we have your output. So here we have given a title, author and price. So expected one, so it has printed the title, author and price. Second code is executed successfully. Now we'll see the third one. So in the third, we will see the Java interface. A Java interface can only contain the method signature and field. This interface is used to achieve the polymorphism. So in this problem, we will see the Java interface. So in this sample input is given 6, and sample output is I implemented advanced arithmetic, and 12 we have given. So in this code, first we will import the java.util and then interface advanced arithmetic, the int divisor underscore sum. Inside the bracket we have given int n. So here we have created the class that is my calculator implements the advanced arithmetic. So inside the class we have given int I equals to 1, int sum equals to 0, then public int divisor underscore sum. Inside the bracket we have given the int n. Here flower brackets open. So here we are using the while case. Inside the while I less than or equals to n we have given. If n percentile I equal to 0, the sum equals to sum plus I, then I plus plus, here we have given, then it will return the sum. So now in the class solution we have given public static void main, then string arguments we have given, and here we have given my calculator, and my calculator equals to new my calculator, and system.out.println, it will print the I implemented. Then implemented interface name my calculator, scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, and int n equals to sc.next int. Then system.out.println, it will print my calculator dot divisor sum plus /n. Then here we have given the class solution, that is public static void main string argument my calculator, and my calculator is equals to. So now static void implemented interface name, here we have given the object O. Then in a class the interface equals to O dot get class dot get interface, and here we are using the for loop, and I equals to 0, I less than the interface dot length I plus plus, and string interface equals to the interface dot get name, and system dot out dot, it will print the interface name. Now we will run the code. So input is 6, and your output I implemented advanced arithmetic 12, and the expected output I implemented advanced arithmetic 12. So third code is executed successfully.